Here's what you need to qualify for a purchase loan in 2025. Most programs need a minimum credit score between 580 to 640 plus. Lenders review your income, tax returns, pay stubs, and job stability. Debt-to-income ratio is important. Lower DTI means easier approval. Down payments start at 3% for qualified buyers. Higher scores equals lower down payment. Documents you'll need: ID, bank statements, credit report, employment proof. Get pre-approved before shopping. This makes your offer stronger. Avoid new loans or credit cards during the process. This can delay approval. Want a smooth home buying experience? Visit lowermortgagerates.com.